Welcome to Mada's Magic Marvels, a live interactive magic show for the whole family. I can't wait to share my magical inventions, innovations and surprises with you. Not only is the show magic, but it's interactive with the entire audience. In fact, everyone gets to be a part of the magic live on stage. As a dad of 3 myself, I've got a special surprise for all the dads in the audience. And just quietly, I'm going to go for the record of the most kids ever on stage for a very special treat. So grab some tickets and I'll see you at the show.